Well, back here at home, the oyster industry is growing, and as it does, so does the research to make sure that oysters are keeping our Gulf healthy.
And to ensure the good health of the oysters, the Harte Research Institute at Texas A&M University continuously tests the oysters for disease. We go live now to the university where Sunrise reporter Chelsea Torres is this morning. So Chelsea, we have to ask, what kind of diseases are they testing the oysters for?
Sonia, that disease is called dermo, and although this does not directly affect you and me, if these oysters do have dermo disease, that means less amount for them to harvest, as well as the fact that it's less while they're filtering our waters. For years, researchers at the Harte Research Institute have been collecting oysters to check for dermo disease.
The interesting thing about the Gulf of Mexico in terms of studying this disease is that it's most prevalent in the environment when you have high temperatures and high salinities.
Living in South Texas, this is an everyday occurrence.
So the oysters that are growing in our area are more susceptible to this than in other parts of the country.
At HRI, research specialists will collect oysters, bring them back to the lab and study for dermo disease. But why is this important to you and me?
This disease, as I said, can limit the amount of fresh oysters that are available for people to harvest. And so for the everyday person, that's something that they wouldn't be able to access.
As Corpus Christi remains one of the top coastline spots in Texas, healthy oysters also keep the Gulf clean for us to fish and play in. It also affects the future of oyster mariculture in Texas, the only U.S. coastal state that does not have a mariculture industry to supplement the natural oyster fishery.
Oyster farming is going to be when folks are just farming their own stocks of oysters, probably in cages along the coast, and then those will be harvested more regularly and provide that, fresh seafood that we're looking for.
According to HRI, oyster mariculture brings in $27 million annually and can take pressure off natural reefs and allow them to recover, keeping our bays and oceans healthy for the future. Now, Dr. Pollack, as well as other doctors here at the Harte Research Institute, have claimed that oysters are one of the most singular important organisms in our environment. We can find more information on our website, christv.com, or even on the Harte Research Institute website. Sonia, I'll send it back to you.